Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add chat highlight in OBS. Now let us begin. For that, do note that I am using Streamlabs. Do note that you simply have to create an account and then you can do it. Initially, what you guys have to focus on is on the left side of the screen. That is all widgets. Just under streaming essentials. Click on it right now. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, simply scroll down and let us search for chat highlight. I'm just gonna scroll down. Do you note that you can simply search for it from right here? Else, if you don't want to, simply scroll down and search for chat highlight. Right here, as you can see, I have found it. I'm just gonna click on it right now. Do you note that you can simply manage the themes from right here? Initially, what I'm gonna recommend is simply enable it. I'm just gonna toggle on this button right here. And after doing that, you can change the time for which the message will be pinned. I'm gonna change it right now. And guys, that is it. Simply scroll down. Do note that you can also change the open message settings and open name settings. I'm simply gonna save the settings. And guys, that is it. Once you have done that, simply copy the visit URL right here. Click on it and hit on copy. Now what you need to do is simply go to OBS. As you can see, I have gone to OBS. Now let's simply add a source. Right here is the plus button. Click on it and hit on browser. Rename it if you wish. I highly recommend you guys to rename it as it will make the task much easier. I have changed the name, so I'm just gonna hit on OK. Now all I'm gonna do is paste the URL right here. Once you do that, simply hit on OK. Do you note that I have added the URL? Now I'm just gonna hit on OK. And guys, that is it. That is how you add chat highlight in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.